This conference will now be recorded.
Girls, till where you have practiced? Did you all try to create a company code? This we have done. Did you try to create this credit control area, fiscal year variant?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, another one has joined from my name. I don't know who is that.
From your name.
Yeah, ma'am.
Uma, Ashwini is there. Kritika.
Yeah,
Ashwini,
ma'am, I'm
Kritika.
getting two too.
Might be you logged in twice, I think. I have only here Kritika, Ashwini, Preeti, Amrita, Akshaya.
Ma'am, one second.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, if we do power off, we won't get the previous saved data, ma'am.
You will get.
Ma'am, I'm not getting.
Where you are checking, how we are checking, can you tell me? Let me log in first. You tell me how we are checking. I will just do the same process how we are doing it, so that we will come to know, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Are everyone using the same process to log in?
Ma'am, I'm getting this take ownership or cancel.
Cancel it, close completely. From the task manager, close the task, and if any process is running, even you close that also. After closing that, reopen once again.
No, ma'am, I'm getting same thing from two to three times. I'm doing that only, but I'm getting the same thing.
Check it out in task manager whether any process VM workstation is running. Go to task manager.
One second. Ma'am, there are no virtual machines. One second.
See, it will be there in an alphabetic order. Just cross check once.
No, ma'am, I'm getting the same thing. This virtual machine appear to be in use. I've sent you photo, ma'am. That only I'm getting.
I have to cross check once again because when did you send ma?
Ma'am, now just 6:25 or something.
Wait, I have to stop sharing this also. Go for this open virtual machine. Okay, it's just 2 minutes. I'll come back. I'll get back to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Which one? Sorry, girls. Huh. So you were saying that you were getting this virtual machine, right? Did you try to do this end task and Duma? Someone was asking me doubts, right? Why aren't you responding, ma? So this has turned to green color. I'm minimizing this. I'll go for this SAP logon. Everyone please log on to your SAP. I think you have, if you have done till date whatever we have done, then we can continue. If not, I'll be doing the classes today. You can practice after this. Or if you have any doubts, you can ask me. We can spend today also on your doubts. Then we will continue in the next class.
Ma'am, I'm getting error if I go for logon.
What error you are getting, ma?
Connection refused.
Connection refused. Can you send the screenshot to me?
I will send, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent.
Kritika, I think your image is not being able. I mean, I won't be able to open this, ma.
I'll send it once again, ma'am.
Give it as no. Give it as no and then check. What are you getting? Okay, so let me do the completion of my things. Okay, did you all do that field status variant? Say yes, no, anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Till date, whatever we have done, everything you have practiced. If anywhere you have a doubt, ask me. I'll continue with the transaction again now. Okay, someone sent me that, ma'am, my ECC is not turning green. So, did it turn at least to yellow color? And who has sent me this? Kritika. Kritika, okay. Kritika, did you do redo once again, ma'am? Okay. Then what I will do is, let me show you the steps what you have to do. Then according to that, you will proceed with this transaction till whatever we have done. Okay, so in last class I started with document posting. So what we are doing, we are just continuing with the same thing I have done to document posting. For document posting, I've shown you the T code as which one. I think I have shown you document parking. right? Document parking. Now we will do this. So in last class we have done the parking entry slash NOB65. Okay, OB document parking slash NF F 65 you have to give enter. You will get a screen for your voucher entry.
Ma'am, slash N.
Slash N, then F for fun, F for fan, iPhone, that is dash 65. So we have done these three transactions. Now fourth transaction we will do. Okay, fourth transaction is pay rent rupees 10,000 by cash. Thus we are going to do. Okay, so we'll again go for this SAP. Now see here, this is what you're getting. Today's date, date of
No,
voucher
ma'am.
entry document. What you're getting, ma? Are you getting the screen?
Transaction does not exist. It's coming, ma'am.
Transaction does not exist. In the screen, transaction code does not exist. You have to give like this. Let me type it in a notepad. See here, you have to type it as slash NF hyphen, okay, F hyphen 65. Type this. Done. Ma'am,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
call is dropping. I I have to know who is this. Ashwini. Is this Ashwini? Who's saying, ma'am, my call is dropping. I don't know what you're trying to say, ma. You mean to say you're getting disconnected from the class? Others, are you all getting the screen? Ashwini, try to say
Yes,
through
ma'am.
the class itself, ma. I can't keep on checking through the WhatsApp also. Until you say me, I won't be checking that also, ma. Okay, now what is my company code? My company code was MCC1. What you have created, please update the same thing.
Ma'am, I got SAP Easy Access.
SAP Easy Access. Okay, you have this bar. See, this bar you will be having. Type it here. Type the T code, this one, which I gave it in a notepad. Type this T code.
I'm getting park document.
Very good. Same thing we are doing now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so do the same transaction what I'm doing according to this along with me.
Yes, ma'am.
If somewhere you feel any doubt, you can ask me while doing. Okay, now after this park document, so I'm giving the date of transaction, today's date of transaction 29 2023, document type SA, My company code is MCC1. Whatever you have created, you give that. Posting date, today's date itself. Posting period. What is this period? September. So April is my first accounting period. Today, which period it is? This is September, right? So April 1, May 2, June 3, July 4, August 5, September is sixth posting period. I'm making the transaction in Indian currency, INR. So the rest of the fields I'll skip because that is not important. So debit, what it is? Posting key 40. 40 means it is a debit. Okay, it is a debit. Next one. Next one, what we have, this account type. So you can press F4, F4, or you can click on this drop down option. Now what did I say? I said that we are making a document, that is we are making the transaction. Transaction is which one? We are paying the rent. So rent paid by cash. What is debit? What is credit?
Debit is which goes out, credit is which comes in.
So the transaction is rent paid by cash. What it is now? Rent and cash.
Debit,
Debit which one?
rent.
Good. So debit is rent. So 40 is the posting key. 40 means it is debit. Okay, 40 means it is debit. Now what we have to do? We have to debit a rent. So here do I have a rent here? Rent expenses. So office rent I have here. I'll select this office rent. Then after this, press enter. Do till here everyone?
Last step, can you tell again, ma'am?
Which one, ma? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
The previous screen? Okay, I'll have to cancel this transaction. Let me do once again. Okay, in the screen, you have to open this T code and today's date 29 2023. So my company code MCC1 and this is INR, posting period is 6. So then posting key is 40. Then here, see here you have this drop down option. Either click on this drop down option or you can press F4, F4 the function key. Okay, when you will get this, press enter. In GL account, press enter.
And this only it's not coming. That office rent, salary, and all it's not coming.
When you press here F4, F4, see what is your company code here? Is this your one, yours only? If it is different one, change it and then click on this GL account, press enter.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I'm getting values for this selection.
Sorry, what are
No
you getting?
values selection.
No values found you're getting. Are you
No values.
giving, send me the screenshot, ma, your voice is breaking, I'm not able to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to go to GL account and we have to press enter, no ma'am.
Yes, ma. Before that,
Then,
you have to see whether this is your company code.
okay ma'am.
If this is your company code, then you will get a list. If it is
Huh.
different, you won't be getting a
Huh.
correct list. Did you create
Yes
your
ma'am.
ledger? No values for this selection. Okay, so this 2526 is your company code.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do one thing. Now let me close this. For you, I'm saying, who is this? Ashwini, right?
Kritika.
2526, whose company? Kritika. Kritika, go to this T code, type it as /O. /O, done. Then FS00. /O FS00. Kritika, doing
FS00.
FS00.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
press enter.
I got something called control and chart of accounts.
Good. See, I'm also showing the same screen which I have to get and you have to get. Okay. Even I'm loading the same thing. /OFS00. Enter. So are you getting this? Edit GL account centrally.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here company code MCC1, my company is showing. Please, are you getting any company code here? Your company or some other?
M001.
Here you have an option C. Change company code.
Okay, ma'am.
Click on this. Change to your company code.
Which place, ma'am?
This one, ma. Can you see this? There is one, two small box and with the arrow key.
Huh.
This one. After that, delete basket button. Here.
Option. I have only two.
What you are getting? Can you send me the screenshot again, Kritika?
Huh.
M001. This is not your company, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's not mine.
Change the company code, ma. See on this below that assets button, assets, you have your company code M001. So above that you have some icon, small, that binocular symbol, paper symbol, all these things.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see here? In this you have an option here. This one.
Change company code.
Yes, exactly. Click on that.
I
Give
got,
your
ma'am.
company code. Give your company code. And someone is saying same problem, ma'am. You also do the same thing, ma. Who's
Ma'am,
this?
I'm getting
Guddu?
specify an existing value.
That means you have not yet created any GL account. Did you create this capital account and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you
That's
make
what
any transactions?
I told you, ma'am. I gave power of everything went.
Again, power of everything went. Are you using in a desktop or it has been connected to, means you have shared it on your, installed in your laptop?
It's installed in my laptop.
Okay. What screen you're getting? Completely turned off, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on once again. Who's talking to me now? Is it Kritika or who's this Guddu means?
Kritika.
Both are Kritika only.
No, ma'am. I don't know
Whose
who's
number
the
is
other.
this? 4247. Nobody has turned on the camera yet. Who is this? Screen is also not clear, ma. Yes, the same thing. You have to click on that. This who has sent me this last number? Ma'am, mic is coming like it's denied. Fine, ma. You can put a message in a chat box also. We have a chat box in this thing classes only, right? Okay, fine, no problem. Even I may not be able to check that later. Ma'am, I'm connected to the phone because of poor network. My mic is coming like it's denied. Fine, no problem. And the option which you are showing me, the cursor in a picture which you have shared me, change company code. Yes, you have to click on that. After clicking on that, give your company code, then click on this enter button, that is tick mark. If it is done and you're getting all your charts of accounts with the ledgers which you have created, that means you can make a transaction. If anybody who is not getting any of this list, no GL has been created or some other error message, let me know. I'll tell you what you have to do.
Ma'am, I'm getting specify an existing value. What should I do?
Specify an existing value. So, are you giving your company code?
Yes, ma'am, I gave.
Huh? So after giving this also, you're getting the same thing. Means, did you create a GL account? Any
Yes,
GL
ma'am.
account did you create? Capital and all?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I told you no, ma'am. Power of.
Oh, again the same issue.
Uh,
Ma'am, if we have not created company before, it won't come, ma'am.
Company will come, but you have to create this ledgers nama, cash in hand, capital, income, expenses. If this is not created, we can't do the transactions.
Yes, ma'am, we have not done that.
If you have not done this, you won't be getting. So keep this open. Okay, do according to my instruction what I'm giving you. Now see here, when you go for, when you are changing it, it is not showing, right? So you know what is the charts of accounts we have, you have created? Because I have created like this, 10,001 to 2,000, 2,001 to 3,000, 3,001 to 4,000, 4,001 to 5,000. So if the same way even you have created, now you have to go for expenses. 1001, give it here 1001, give your company code, create as rent. Okay, create it as office rent. I'll show mine. You have to give here 10,001. Okay, 10,001. I'm opening this. After giving 10,001, look here. Can you see? You have to give here as expenses, profit and loss, office rent. This is the first screen. Do this and let me know. Then I'll let you know the next step, next screen, what you have to do.
excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, this left side you're getting four options, no, ma'am.
Which one, ma? This one.
This left side.
Left side, this one. I clicked on this drop down option. Since I've already created, I'm
Ah,
getting this.
getting only. I'm getting only two, assets and liabilities.
Because you would have only created the ledgers under assets and ledgers under liabilities. Only that you will be getting. Since you would have not created anything under expenses and income, until you create any one ledger, you won't be getting that list. Okay, so you have to create a ledger. So go here, go for this create option. Can you see this create option? Click on this create option. So we have given expenses 10,001 onwards. Give the series from 10,001 onwards. 10,001 to 10,001 company code, enter, and then fill the screen. See what I have done. Fill the screen.
In create, I'm getting GL account. In that place, I should give 10,000.
10,001. Give your company code. Press enter. Here you can see GL account 10,001, company code, your company code. Then fill this transaction description,
I'm not
what I
getting
have
that
filled.
one.
Are you getting
I'm
here this
getting
one?
chart of accounts not defined.
So you have not yet created. If charts of accounts is not defined, you can't do this. So you are very far behind one. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll do the class for today. I want everyone to practice till whatever we have done. Okay. So, girls, if you have already done, just do according to the procedure what I'm saying. If it is done, then just check your status and tell me if it is done. Okay. I'm only guiding you what and all you have to do step by step. If that step is done, tell me you have done. If it is not yet done, even inform me that I can check with the next one. Okay, first step we have created company. Everyone,
Yes,
company
ma'am.
code,
Yes, ma'am.
business area.
Ma'am, how do we go to that business area?
Okay, so you have not yet done with the business area. So let me guide you with that. Okay, so first step we will go with business area. Go for this T code.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't remember the T code also. Once again. It is OXO3. Okay, give it here a slash N OXO3. Okay, after giving this, press enter. Slash NOX03. Slash NOX03. So like this you will get, you have to go for new entries and create your business area. I have already created, I'll just show you my business area MCC1. I think I have created it here as, okay, this one. I
Ma'am,
have
can you
created
repeat the
this as
code?
OX03 slash NOX03. Then go for new entries, and this is what I have created. You can give anything, business area description, whatever you want, and whatever you want to give the description also, it is your wish.
In business area, we should give company code.
You can give your company code. In case if you get some other error like this is already defined, something like that, then you can change it. Since I was having MCC1 already defined, so I have taken here MCCB. Okay, it is your wish, whichever you want to take, you can take. But define with the company code itself.
I got one entry chosen.
Not one entry chosen. You should not choose it. You have to go for new entries and do. I have given this. I have selected this because I have already created. You don't choose it. Just tick mark on this. Again, click on this. It will remove. Okay. Go for new entries and type this. Type your company code and give the business area description.
Yes, ma'am, in new entries only I did.
Hmm.
I got one entry chosen.
Okay. Save now.
Request.
Yes. Are you getting the same request which you would have already created? Did you create while doing creation of company?
Description MCC 26 group configuration.
Was that yours?
No, ma'am.
Then that will next to that description you have that drop down list, right? Click on that. Okay. So what I want everyone to do is, for the next class we will be doing together simultaneously. I want everyone to complete company code, business area. You can make a note because till here you have to do it yourself. I'm not doing this. Okay, remaining part only I will be doing. We will do once again from the beginning together. So what
Ma'am,
I
your
want
voice
you to do
is
is
breaking, ma'am.
define company. I have given you a screenshot also, right? Okay, once again. Sorry dear, because it's raining, because of that also might be. Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Okay. So what you will be doing is make a note of this. Till this, you have to create your own company. Refer the videos of whatever I am doing now, whatever I am saying to you now. Refer the videos from the beginning, okay, for the topics which I am saying now, so that we will be doing in our next class. Continuations. We are going to use new company. I'll create a new company and I'll be explaining along with that. We will do simultaneously. I'm not going to use the same company. We will do together. Clear? So what I want you all to do is define company. First point, define company. This you will do. Second point, define company code. Define company code. Third point, assign company code to company. assign company code to company. Fourth point, define business area. Define business area. Fifth point. Fifth point, define credit control area. Define credit control area. Next point, assign company code to credit control area. Okay, so I have already shared you the screenshot of organizational structure. You will be doing till here. From next step, I will be doing along with you. Okay, is it fine to everyone? Or you want me to do from the beginning, from the very first step itself? You have to tell me.
We will do, ma'am.
You'll do good. So you will do till here. So from the second level, I will be starting from this, whatever we have to create. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now, okay, still we have a time. So what I will be doing is, we will be creating this organizational structure from the beginning. I'm doing here. If at all you want to try with me, you can try. Slash NOX15. OX15. This is for company creation. OX15. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will be getting like this. Company
Yes, ma'am.
creations. Go for new entries. Now I have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
define this company code. I'm giving it MCC 200. You can give any letters whichever you want, or you can give your wish. You give it as your first name, your name's first three letters, and 100 you give your name's first three letters and give it as 300, 100, whatever you want. But
Yes,
remember,
ma'am.
make a note and keep it, okay? Because you should not forget this. We will be using this again and again, so you should not forget this. Write and keep it. Then, next one, we have to give the company code. So I'm giving here MCC 200 group company. You can give whatever you want. I just gave this. Then fill all the street address, everything. So let me give here as 4th block, Jayanagar, post box, PO 101. I'm just giving a random one. Postal code 560011. Density Bangalore. Country India, IN India. Language in which we are doing English, EN. currency, INR, Indian currency. Till here you do it. We are doing from the beginning. You can do along with me. Once it is done, let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we will do, we will save. Press Control yes. Are you getting the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Then go for this create request. Create request. Can you see this? Create request. Everyone do this. Just go for the sign. Click on that. Create request. You have to click on this. So now we are getting short description. I'm giving here as MCC 200 new GRP, that is group configuration config, and everything I'm giving in a short form. Okay, if however you want, you can give config. This is
Ma'am,
what
which
I've
we
given.
created, we should give, or new one we should give, ma'am?
Anything you don't use the old one, huh? Because we are doing from the beginning again. Create a new one. Create a new one because we are doing a again from the beginning. We are doing it. Everyone clear this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can enter or you can click on the save button. This save button is used for enter. I press enter here. So whenever we are going to save in the next time, we must get the same thing. We must get the same thing. Okay, now again press enter. Company is done. Okay, next step we have to create what? Company code. Okay, so for this again go for this transactional code slash n, okay, OX02 OX02. Type this. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now press enter. You will get this screen for creating the company code. Again go for new entries. So I'm giving here my company code here as MC20. MC20 I'm giving. From here after, this is what we are going to use. Okay, so you can give any two letters, that is your first letter, your name, first two letters, then give it as whatever the number you want to give, and make a note of this also. Okay. Now I give here the name of my company code as MC um, MCC Private Limited Company. MCC Private Limited Company. This is what I have given. So then here city I'll give here as Bangalore. Then country India IN, currency INR, language EN. Give this. Have you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now press enter or okay, press control yes. If you have done till here, press control yes. You will get one more screen. Are you getting the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we are going to do is, in this, the first option, it says me that we are going to use a title for this. So I'm going to use here title as company. There is a list already. Okay, you can just see here. If you are doing here, so if you just click on this drop down option. Okay, click on this drop down option, it will show you. So I'm giving here as company. Name of my company, I'll give here the same thing. MCC Private Limited Company. So search terms, I will give here as MC20, my company code itself. What I have already given. Done. Now what I will do, I'll give the street address, whatever you want to give, you can give. So I'll give here as 4th block, 33rd cross, Jayanagar, postal code 560011, then city Bangalore, country India, and this region is your it is your state, which state you are into. So you can give 10 for Karnataka. If you want to see this, you can click on this drop down option. You will get a list of all the states. From here you can select it. Okay, I have already given here as 10. So post box number PO20, I'll give here, and postal code 560011. So any other details you want to fill, you can fill this. After this, you can click on this enter button. So you just do this and let me know if you have done this.
Done.
Okay, everyone.
Company postal code, what we should put, ma'am?
Give anything randomly, ma. I just gave 4 characters because when we give the same thing pin code, it will give you a error saying that it should not be the same thing. Okay, so that is what I just gave some random code. Okay, so it means when we are giving some code number, it will say you that that which area you are staying here. So that area's pin code it will ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that area's postal post box number it is asking you. That is postal code. Okay, post box number. If this is done, click on this save button, enter button, or just press enter. So it will get saved. So when you are getting a save option, you must get this configuration screen. Okay, if you are getting this configuration screen, that means your process is done. And you have to cross check whether this is your configuration which you have created. If it is correct, then it is fine. If it is wrong, then you have to change the customization request. Okay. Now what we will do, again click on this enter button. We will do what? We will assign this to company code. We have created separately. We will create this together.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
ma'am, it's coming
Tell
only
me.
PO box of postal code or company postal code allowed. It's coming, ma'am.
Are you giving the same thing for both the places?
No, ma'am, different only.
Can you take a screenshot and send me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think see this PO box. Okay, PO box. What you have given, and then what you have given in the postal code, and tell me. PO box details you tell
Ma'am,
me, and
PO
what you
box
have.
have Ma'am, PO box have given P026 and
Hmm.
postal code have given 560064.
What is your company code?
And company code is 5 PRE26 have given, ma'am. PR26.
Okay, good. Now do one thing. There is a tick mark right in this error information screen.
Tick mark, ma'am.
Hmm. Click on that.
Yes, ma'am, it's showing the same.
Okay, click close but click on that close button and take the screenshot and send me, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, one second, ma. See, you're giving only two characters, PO05. You should not give only 05. Remove that 05. Okay. Or else there is one more thing, no? Company postal code 2002. 2002 you
Ah,
have
yes,
given,
ma'am.
right, ma? Remove that.
Yes, ma'am.
Remove that and then
Okay,
save,
ma'am.
ma.
Yes, ma'am, it came.
Girls, 2 minutes. I'll just get. Okay, next step, go for this, apply the cheat code NOX16, OX16. Girls, give this cheat code.
N-O?
It is OX16.
Yes, ma'am.
OX16. Okay, now press enter. Are you getting the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Go for position, because we have already created company also, company code also. There is no new entries. Now give your company code. I have created here as MC20. I'm giving that. Okay, now what you have created, you have to go for that one. Done? Then I click on this enter.
Ma'am,
So my
can you
company
once
code
again,
was.
ma'am?
Did you enter the T code? Are you getting the screen? Are you getting the screen? Give the
Yes,
T code
ma'am.
ma /NOX16.
Ma'am, New York, Tokyo.
Whatever
What
it
if
is.
other?
Yeah. That's okay. City name, whatever it comes, you just ignore. Okay, go for
Okay, ma'am.
position.
Okay.
Go for position and then give your company code.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you have given, then click on enter and let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
So your first company name will be yours only. Okay, whatever it will come in the top list, and this company field will be blank. What you have created as company, that you give. MCC 200 I have created. So what you have created, that you give.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now save this.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting these configurations?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll stop till here. So rest of the things you will be doing on your own. Okay, you have to do it on your own. Which one? You have to create, define business area, credit control area, assign company code. This you will be doing it. So rest of the things I'll be explaining in the next class. Clear? So we will wind up the class for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Everyone do it yourself, okay? See you everyone.